Hey y'all, so today I am going to do what's in my makeup bag. Just a soft no makeup look edition. So my makeup bag, this is the Yanni Beauty bag. It holds so much stuff. This is the perfect bag for traveling. Get you one, but that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about, I'm about to go out, so I am going to, since I'm going out, do my makeup, and it really is just what I do. I don't wear makeup all the time, but when I do, I like to keep it super simple. And so I am going to show you all what I wear. So in my makeup bag, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. A lot of times I'm at Yanni Beauty, I get my eyebrows tinted. So I don't have to do this all the time, but I haven't had them tinted in a while. So I'm going to start with filling them in. This is the Yanni Beauty eyebrow pencil. It has the pencil, slanted pencil on one side and the spoolie on the other. Like I said, this is my real makeup in my makeup bag, so it's not going to look brand new and all of that kind of stuff because, hey, this is what I use regularly. So I like to start with like a little soft line just to kind of see where I'm going. And then I just do strokes. So just for reference, I like my eyebrows to look more natural and not like super filled in. So if you see that they don't look like super snatched, that is by design. So yep, I just fill these in around just my natural arch. And then kind of brush them up. Like I said, I'm not trying to do too much because I really don't like them super, you know, super done up, especially when I'm not trying to do like a full on makeup look. When I'm doing something like extra simple to just run out, I want my brows to kind of match that. And realistically, I could use a darker color. My hair used to be blonde, so my eyebrows would be lighter, but now that I dye my hair black, I could really go for a darker brow. Because now it's giving like reddish, right? So anyway, yeah, I start with my brows. Just keep them super simple, just a little fill in to give them a little definition. And then I will follow up with concealer. Trying to find my brush. So this is the Yanni Beauty liquid concealer. It is full coverage. It's buildable full coverage. It doesn't take a lot to get full coverage. I'm not trying to use it for really full coverage. I'm just gonna outline my brow slightly. And then I'm going to let that sit. I might as well cover that little spot up since I'm doing this. I'm going to let that sit. And then I have like this little acne that decided it wanted to come, so I will go over that. I'm not putting too much on because remember, I want it to be like a no makeup, so I don't want to overdo it with the layers of makeup. And so that's really all you're gonna get from concealer because I ain't trying to do too much. You know, a good tip is to, when you're doing concealer, and especially if you like new to makeup, is to let it sit for a minute before you start blending. It gives for a better coverage and a more natural look. And it's less messy, because when you try to blend out liquid concealer and it's like super wet or too much, you be like blending. You see people have it all over their eye. I don't need all of that. So I'm letting it just kind of sit for a little bit. And then I go down so that it doesn't become too much. And then I'm going to take this blender and do this. I prefer blenders, but use whatever you like. So I know people like blender brushes or blenders. Blenders are just easier for me to control, and so that's what I use. Okay, so now after that, this is the Yanni Beauty Our Perfect Shades Liquid Foundation in 125. And I'm going to literally just put like a little dab like this and go around my chin, because my chin normally has most of the acne scars or hyperpigmentation that I like to just go around my chin. And that's it. I won't be wearing any more foundation. I won't be putting on any more concealer. That is it. And this is really just blotting this out, because it's nothing on this end. I'm just kind of blotting my skin. And that is it for like foundation and stuff. And then I'm going to follow up with contour. So this is the Yanni Beauty Flex Stick, and I think this is mahogany, but this is the flex stick. This is how it looks. It's a roll up, and it is a creamy stick concealer. And I'm just gonna go over my natural cheekbone line just slightly. That's it. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do just a little bit on my nose. And I'm going to take another blender and blend that. And then just blend my nose. It's so blendable. Like, you don't really have to do much. You see, that was so fast. It'll just blend out. Just with taps. So that is it for that. And then if it goes down too much, I just reuse the little left on my foundation. All right, all right. So next, which is my favorite thing, is using blush. I'm a blush kind of girl. This is the Yanni Beauty Floral Blush. And this is Rosy Red. And I'm just gonna dab a little up my cheeks. So my video stopped, but after I did my blush, all I did was went in with the Light and Loaded palette, which is a multi-use palette. It has contour, highlight, blush, eyeshadow in one palette. It also comes with a brush, and I just took the little shimmer right here and patted a little on my nose just to give it a little look, and then drop my lip gloss. And then I went in with my lip gloss, which is Level Up. Level Up is a gold copper shimmer. It's just a lip gloss. As you can see, I have it on. It's not a lipstick. It's just something super simple. So I added some Level Up to my lips. Actually a bestseller. And that was it. And you know, what I was saying, I didn't even know I got cut off, but is that this look is going to be different for everyone. It's a no makeup look. Really, it's just one of those things when you want to probably cover up a few flaws, or you want to give a little color to your skin, or whatever it is. You know, you may look flush, you want to give a color to your cheeks. This is the look for that. I think it's great for work. I think it's great for beginners, makeup beginners who don't want to do or know how to do like this full face, or, you know, not even interested. But this is what I do when I'm just running out, just giving myself a quick little pop of color, cover up a few little flaws. I don't even have, I don't have on a full face of foundation or concealer, just in very strategic spots. Blush, filled in my brows. And like I said, when my brows are tinted, I don't even have to fill in my brows. And some lip gloss. And that's it. So hopefully you like the no makeup look. Drop your comments below and tell me what you think. Tell me what makeup looks you want to see next. I can try to do all kind of stuff for you. And other than that, make sure you subscribe to our channel and visit us at yannibeauty.co. Bye.